Well, hi everyone, it's John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur here. And if you recall, just about a week ago, I gave you my first impression of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And you know, everything seemed great with the phone. I was very impressed, as you know, with the way it seamlessly transferred all my data within less than 15 minutes. And I appeared quite happy about that. However, when I got home, I discovered some things that didn't quite transfer so well. The pictures were fine, all my websites and links were all fine, but you know what didn't transfer? My two-factor authentication through Microsoft Authenticator. That didn't come over. Now, I'm guessing the reason it didn't come over is because of security. However, I would have wished that that would have came over, even if I was prompted during the process to say, are you sure you want to do this? Or, you know, do a face print to make sure that it wanted to come over. The other thing I didn't like is that out of all my banking apps, only one of them was not able to re-assimilate my facial recognition and link it to my password. Only one of them. I'm not going to tell you which one. It was a regional bank. All the others, when I redid my face, you know, profiling it on the phone, it linked to my password like that, and I was able to get in. So that was pretty cool. So let's talk about what I like about the phone. So what I like about the phone is it's lightning fast, the way that you can turn it on. Turn it off, turn it on, really great. I love the way that the phone is the same size, so you don't have to buy another case because they always hit you up for $80 to $150 for another case, especially if you buy a good case. What else do I like about the phone? Well, the camera. Let's talk about the camera. So the camera is pretty cool. I like all the different features like the aperture and things like that. But let's be honest, okay? This is not going to make you a film producer, although they claim that. It is just some great bells and whistles for somebody who wants to casually video blog or Instagram, but don't use this to shoot your first motion picture because it's not going to come out that great. The blurs and the focuses are not what you'd expect if you were using you know, professional cameras. Again, it's a nice phone. There is another thing I don't like about it. When I was using it in the tether mode so that I could use it as a hotspot with my laptop and whatnot, it actually gets quite warm in the back. Now, not hot, but warm. And that happened about once or twice when I used that feature. When I didn't use that feature, my phone has stayed pretty cool to the touch with this cover on. When the cover was off, I could sense it getting a little warm, but with the cover on, I don't even notice it. So the only time it got a lot warmer was when I actually decided to you know, use that feature to use it as a hotspot. And you know, the iPhone, the question is it worth that extra money? You know, I have the 256, which I think is more than enough. To spend that extra money for the 1 terabyte, not worth it. I give that a thumbs down, okay? If you're gonna be using your phone to store pictures, well, I think you got more problems. You should be taking your pictures and uploading them to like your laptop frequently. Don't store them all on iCloud, that's gonna cost you a fortune. The battery does do a great job. All day long, I did not have to charge my phone. It was just under a half a battery with using it pretty profusely like I do every single day. Really happy with that. I really wish they would have given us a true USB-C cord. I mean, that's kind of bad. And why didn't they give us a plug in the box? I know they say it's to be environmentally friendly and green, but I think that's a crock. As I was saying, the most important thing about the phone is the speed. The speed is really great. The camera recognition for facial recognition, when I go into apps, it's a lot faster. It doesn't have that delay or the pause. When I use like a Zoom or another type of conferencing app, the camera does keep me in frame if I move around. But that's really about one of the best things it does. As far as saying it's a cinematic camera, I can't really agree with that. I mean, yes, there are some cinematic features, but they're nowhere to the level that you would use for professional photography. It's great for a vlogger, great for an Instagram poster, or someone that wants to shoot some casual photos or videos of their life and share them with friends, family, and colleagues. But don't use this for professional film production. Definitely use a lot of those great features. If it was me, I would tell you to definitely get this phone. 9.2 is my rating. All in all, 9.2, great phone, very pleased with it. I know you'll be pleased with it too. big differences from the iPhone 12 Pro Max. That A15 chip really made the difference, but come on, Apple, give us the USB-C Fold next time and give us a plug. What does it cost, an extra $1 or $2? I mean, really. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I am John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur. You've been watching the JMOR Reviews channel, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Why not click on that subscribe button and smash that bell notification icon? This way you'll be notified instantly when I post other review videos about technology. If you really like the content, why not comment, share it with your friends, colleagues, and associates, and tag them before. And also, if you like it, below every one of our videos, look for the key phrase, help keep our content free. Even though our videos are free to millions of viewers around the world every single day of the year, my team and I always appreciate those that want to buy us a cup of coffee or a sandwich. I'm John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur. I'll see you in another video real soon.